and have breakfast. This is our second day in Sapa. I'm just looking for my group. Where they at? Daming selection. Tapos na tayo sa salad. What's in here? More on the soup. Xin chào. Noodle soup. Pork. Nice. Sa balcony namin, sobrang foggy. Sana mag-clear siya pag akit namin para maganda yung view.
Welcome to Bailosi Squad with Busto Squad. Kasama namin today sa family of another vloggers. Si Nika at si Edmark. Yeah, so we are going to some, ano ba yung pangalan, Nika? Pansipan. So this is the highest peak in Southeast Asia. Right now it's like around 10 o'clock in the morning, very cloudy. Actually, the whole city of Sapa is in the cloud. Okay, so this hotel is actually behind of the station of where we're going. So we have a separate guide, meron kami ng separate line. So ang galing, maganda yung idea nila. Okay, so we're just going up. Whoa, right now we are in the, I think it's the third level, so there's a mall. And we're gonna ride 3 or 4 vehicles. So there's a tram, there's a cable card, and also there's all vehicles. So we didn't choose the trekking because it's really cold outside. Oh, nice. It's close.
Thank you. Meron na kaming ticket, so we have this pass. Daming coffee shop here. This is Starbucks and Highlands. Okay, wow pass.
Check pa yan. Okay, please.
VIP pass, Nika. There you go. Sige, hanap na tayo. Puno na yata dyan. Puno na rin. Among punuan lahat. Oo. Okay, sige. Singit na tayo. Yeah, go ahead.
Roller coaster.
Iba pala may wow pass. Iba yung linya. Oo. Kami well, kasama talaga namin si Brother Edmark. Kaya nakakuha ng wow pass.
Wow pass lane.
Oh, yan na.
Ito kayo. Kailangan ko mag-cardio.
Kami, hindi kami. Ilang dapat sa hotel na.
Oo. Yeah. Huh?
Maybe outside.
Outside.
Flower garden.
Flower garden.
I think we should go to some first. And then go out, we go to
Ah, okay, that's good. Nice.
now the weather is so
Oh, it's good, really? Because I thought it's all fog. We cannot see anything. The train, nothing. We only see like this. Like,
Yes,
ah.
sometimes it's sunny now, or sunny
Yeah.
here, but the top is foggy.
Oh, okay. So now up is sunny. Ooh, we're lucky. The lucky VIPs. Oh, wow, pass name. Iba si Brother Edmark. Naka-wow pass. Ah. Oh, ah. Oh, lounge. Oh, wow, lounge. Ito favorite niya, Brother Edmark. Brother Edmark, oh, wow, lounge. Ah, oh.
May lounge pa siya. Diba?
Wala.
What are we gonna do here? Pillow fight.
Pillow fight.
Pillow fight.
Diba? Iba talaga. Paskan-skan na lang.
Go, miss
Ano man?
my losses.
One by one, bawal ko tayo siya.
Mga VIP.
Very important people.
Okay, let's go. Go.
Let's go. Yung anak.
Patay mo yan.
Go, go, go. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Woo!
What's the best, ano? Which one is the best to taste?
Anyway.
Okay, sige. Dito tayo. Ayan.
Yan.
Para may ano tayo.
Tapos pag ano, hindi maganda, awayin.
Yan,
Awayin
ah.
sa'yo ng tao.
Okay, sana wala na.
Wow, there's nothing.
There's nothing to see. Ayan, oh. In the sky.
Wala tayong makita.
Oo,
Tayo lang.
Ganda. Sa kanan mo, bro. Yan, sa baba. Yan.
Rice terraces.
散沃尔发西邦雷神，新顶较回看，顶núi
This flag represents the strong will and determination of the Vietnamese people, carrying the nation's hope to rise and reach new heights. Sun Wo Phanxipang Legends is honored to host the daily flag raising ceremony at the impressive Phanxipang Peak. The moment when the national flag is raised is an emotional one, as a
Oh my gosh.
Masaya na ang mga VIP, ah.
Yeah. Masaya na ang mga taga-wow.
Ayun, oh. Nasa taas na kami ng clouds finally.
Guys, we're up in heaven. It's blue sky. Fancy pa. Ano kaya yung fancy pa nila dito? Fancy canton.
Ayun, dito na kami sa taas ng Fancy Pan. So hindi namin na vlog yung yung pag-akyat, pagbaba dahil nag-live si Ana for 20 minutes. So ngayon dito na kami.
Parang temple siya.
Yes.
Uy, mainit.
Init, wala yung shade. Nasaan shades natin, Brother Edmark?
Ha?
Nasaan ang shades
Nandun
natin?
pa sa store.
Nasa store, teka.
Bibiling ko pa lang.
Punta muna kami sa store para kakasilaw dito. Sobrang sunny. Pero ang ganda. Nakikita mo yan. Yep. Yep ulit. Ayan. Fit tong mga kasama ko. Diba? Burn. Kahanap pa kami ng best place to do our TikTok.
có gió lớn.
Welcome to the Sun World Fancy Pang Residence. Currently, there are strong winds at the Fancy Pang summit. To ensure your safety and prevent falls,
Another train. Pataas. Okay, nauna kami. Nauna kami pinapasok. O, dito tayo. O, para...
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Kami naipit yung mga girls doon sa likod. Tara, akit na tayo.
Another challenging steps.
Sabi, right-headed na kami. Sobrang taas na.
Yung heart
Yeah.
pumping.
Sabi, mas biglang uminit na rin.
Masarap siya.
Em cất kính vào túi đi ra.
Ito yung mga, paano kami nakaakyat dito?
5 degrees.
5 degrees. Ano, ready na tayo mag-TikTok, guys? Dito na.
Hindi siya naramdaman.
Okay, dito kami sa coffee shop. Hanap tayo na may view.
Let's just have one coffee pail. You want?
Waiter namin. Big
This
time
is
ang
not
waiter.
our order.
Big time ang waiter namin.
Siyempre.
Careful.
80 kilos.
Look at the view ng aming.
Ganda oh. Ganda. Pare, anong oras na ulit?
Taga-taga, tingnan natin. Ay, last 12 pa lang.
Ayun,
So
oh.
pwede pa tayo glass walk.
Paring Hyde. Paring G. Pwede.
Balik na kami sa hotel. Then may next tour kami after. Ano yun, brothers? Yung next tour natin?
Glass walk.
Glass walk.
Glass walk.
Itatry natin yung yung
Alin?
bridge.
Yung bridge. Let's go there. Kahit video lang ako, video kita.
Hindi. Sabay-sabay tayo, brother.
Glass walk lang ako.
Kaya natin yan. Nagutom muna.
Sorry? Banh mi, chicken sausage. Please dito.
And you fell asleep.
Ay, halo? Okay. Oh, sorry. Please. Okay.
Thank you. Oh, dito.
Tayo eh, pag ganun, di ba?
Oo.
So dito na lang.
Yes.
Parang ganun ulit kanina.
Dito.
Yan.
Okay. Kilo talaga ako. Sounds a great idea.
Kaya kanina, ayoko si Edmark magbubuk agad kasi we have to think of may meeting pa nga ako, tutupo.
O ano nangyari? Oo.
Mamaya pa.
Nandito na kami sa gitna ng clouds. Wala na kami makita.
It's not your point of view.
Phan Xipang Legend. Quần thể văn hóa tâm linh tọa lạc trên đỉnh Phan Xipang, nơi trời đất giao hòa. Đỉnh Phan Xipang hùng vĩ được coi là long mạch tụ khí linh thiêng của cả nước. Đây là điểm đến không thể bỏ
Na-intercess kasi kanina, walang ka-view dahil sa fog. So now, ito na ang view namin. Pabalik na kami ngayon. It's almost 2 p.m. Para na tayo na sa Banawi Rice Terraces. Labas na. Fancy fan. Oh, nice. Look at that. There's a horsey ride. Sasakay yata si Ana sa horse. Love Sapa. Ha? Pwede pala sa Torres Farm, di ba? How much? 100.
Wanna ride?
Oh.
Okay, only 30. Yeah. Okay.
It's okay. Pero mura 100.
Bayaran nila.
Minsan
Kwento na lang nila yun. Parang kasi yung mga ex namin, isang barkada lang.
Ibang klase ng rose.
Yun o, maganda dun o.
oh.
Yung white na puno. Yung ano.
Pabalik na kami. Going to Funicular Station. Ito yung train station. So, ano lang, ano na talaga, isang door lang away from our hotel. Dito na kami ngayon sa lobby. Mag-i-inquire kami ngayon for our next activity or probably tomorrow's activity, yung glass bridge. Okay, check muna namin yung pool area. Let's see. Wow, okay. Ayan, ng spa. Mga bosses namin, kailangan ng relaxing spa.
Body massage. Pero mas mahal nga lang sila.
So lumabas muna kami. Punta kami ng 10th floor. Then we'll check. Kanina kasing umaga sobrang cloudy so wala kami makita. Then tambay muna kami dito later. Kasi natin the view. bonfire.